y'all, what's good, what's popping? Those are my dad's chickens in the background. But yeah, so I decided to do this video outside because I love the sun and my hair is like super long, so I needed to like have a lot of space to be able to show you guys like what it fully looks like. So yeah. Oh, also this style can be used for any long protective style, like my braids, twist, faux locks, like all the styles that I've previously did videos on. These styles, these are my go-to styles that I put them in, so this works for everything, and I'll put those videos in the links below. Also, if you like my edges, I have a how-to video on that as well. But enough talking, let's get straight into wait, no more talking. Make sure that you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know any other videos that you guys would like to see as well. Okay, now I'm done talking, and we're gonna get right into the video. So the first and easiest style is of course how I'm wearing right now. We have a little bit in the front and then a little bit in the back, split down the middle. Very simple, very easy, very cute. Or you can switch it up and wear it flipped to the side. Very easy look. And now the next style only requires a hair tie. Just a regular hair tie. And for all my styles that I'd like up or back or whatever, I like to leave 2 strands down. And then this one is just a basic half up, half down. Just gather half of your hair, or a little bit less, all the way at the top of your head. And then you double tie, or how many times you need to tie your hair tie. It's kind of hot. Like that. And then I like for these, I like when you can't see the hair tie, all you see is hair and it's extra high. So I'm gonna take, oops. So out of the ponytail, I'm gonna take 2 strands of hair from the back, and then I just wrap them around. And depending on how high you want it, you don't just have to go around the base, like you can go like work your way up so that your ponytail sits higher. And then you just keep wrapping until you have a little strand, and then you can bobby pin it or just tuck it in. And then you have a half up, half down, or you can even like put it to the side like that. And then for our next style, again, I'm keeping my 2 twists out, and then I'm gonna start it off as if I'm doing the same style as before. So I have it at the top of my head, as high up as it can go, and then as if I'm doing a ponytail, I'll put it around once. And then the second time, I just don't put my hair all the way through. So as if I'm going for a second ponytail, but instead of pulling it all the way through, I pull about that much. And then my hair's like this, and I kind of separate it and let it fall. I would recommend doing this style, well, whatever color your hair is, I would recommend doing it that color because I don't like when the hair ties show. But all I have is this tan one. But yeah, I feel like this is my go-to style with all of them. This is my favorite one. I love to do this one. It's so cute. I think it's interesting. It makes your hair look even bigger. But there's this one. Let me do it full. 360 for you guys. Oh, tripping. Got me tripping. Oh, something. Ooh. That style number, I don't know because I wasn't counting. This is another style that I like to do that is kind of just to get the hair out of my way, but I also think it's really cute and you don't need any extra things. So your hair can be parted down the middle or just all pushed back or whatever. It doesn't matter, it just matters how you're feeling. And then I just take a few strands from the front, from each side, and then it's as if I'm tying a knot, but I'm just not pulling it all the way through. So I'll show you it because I can show you better than I can explain it. So. And then instead of putting it all the way through, I just continue to pull this side like that. And this is okay, I lied. All of these are my favorite styles. I like to put my hair in all of these, but I think it looks really cute from this side because it's kind of like a sloppy low bun type of look. And then for this look, oh, here it is. All you need is like a shoestring, you know. I like to, do I feel like folding it in half? Yeah, today I'm gonna fold it in half. Of course, I take my 2 strings, or if you're feeling extra, you could take 4 strings. And then I'll just put those 2 behind my ear, right? But right now, I'm gonna just, I don't know, hold them between my legs so they're out the way. And then I flip the rest of my hair over, and basically we're just doing a high ponytail. But when using a shoestring, this is how you get your hair to have like a waterfall effect. So for this, I would recommend using something you tie around instead of like a hair tie or anything. But anyway, I have the hair like this, and then I'm gonna just tie it, knot it, and then just as tight as it can go, and then I'll just put it in a bow so that it's like, so it's not hard to take out. Okay, and then I flip it over and kind of like, you know, add the waterfall effect like that. And then I have my 2 strands, and I put them behind my ear and have these up like that. And there's this style. And again, if you want it to be higher, you can always take a strand from the back and wrap it around the base to make your hair sit even higher. But this is this style. So I already took my hair out before I realized that my next style was gonna be a bun. And we started off a bun with a high ponytail. So now I just gotta put my hair back into the bun. The ponytail. Hair is back into the ponytail. And then I just group all the hair together. And then I just twist it, but very loosely. I don't need this to be super tight. And then I just wrap it around my head. And as I wrap it, it's gonna unwind, but that's okay. And I'm just gonna continue twisting the bun as I'm twisting it. The more you twist it, the tighter and higher it will be. So I'm gonna just keep twisting it. And then I'm gonna make sure to keep doing my strand around, and then just continue to wrap it. Like so. And then put this behind the ear, and then just have these two just hanging like that. Now I will say that this style is a little heavy. You're gonna feel like a bobblehead. Don't wear this in movie theaters, go into a show or anything, because the people behind you will probably hate you. But this is a cute style too. So yeah, there are definitely more ways that you can style these long protective hairstyles, but those are just my go-tos. Like, I always do those. Like, I love doing those. But yeah, that's basically the end of my video. If the background was noisy, I'm sorry, but it's nature, and I really love the sun, so I wanted to be outside, and I wanted to like show you guys the hairstyles in the best way that I could. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you didn't already, comment, like, and subscribe, or hit the notification bell. Do that now, you know, just cause. But yeah, so again, I'll leave all my other videos, other protective hairstyle videos, links below. Also my edge tutorial, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope I explained these hairstyles well enough for you guys. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day or night or evening or whatever. And stay safe. Definitely stay safe.